here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson in Corinth, Texas to talk about doing an install. I'm here with Todd Maxwell, who's the parts manager here at American Eagle, and we have Shaggy. I don't know where Scooby is. So we're here with Shaggy, who's going to be doing the install for us. So what these soft brakes do is they decrease the reach an inch so that you can get in there and actually get a better grip on your clutch. It increases the friction zone.
So pretty much what I'm going to do is start with removing this floorboard, or at least kind of dropping it down a little bit so I can slide this off.
Right, get it out of the way.
Get that out of the way. And then we'll loosen up this brake reservoir and we'll just pull it off slightly so we can get to the cotter pin behind it, securing everything together. So pretty easy process. Floorboard is out. Then we're going to take our socket with a 5/8. We're going to loosen up this brake bolt right here. Swap back over to a 1/4 inch bit. And we're just going to loosen these up. We're not going to fully remove it. Okay. Do the process in reverse.
Yeah, who did this?
Hold on, let me put it in my skirt.
Yeah, it needs to be. Yeah.
So once you have your rubber pad, you should just line right up and slide on. Just like that. So moving on to the clutch lever while we're still up in the air, it'll be easier for us to get to this, which is going to be our clutch adjustment cable, which actually needs to be loosened completely. You're going to want to remove this button. It's pretty simple. You just pull back on it. So yeah, it's just got two little tracks and it's going to slide off of those really easily most of the time. And that opens that up so we can remove this shell without damaging this button right here. Pull this off of the back side. We'll kind of drop it down a little bit. And then underneath here, we'll need our smaller snap ring pliers. These can be difficult. You never want to spread these apart because it'll bend that circlip and it won't hold right. So you just kind of want to very barely spread it apart until it clears that pin. Just take that to the side, move it out of there, and our clutch is free from the perch. So take this black little holder out, and we are ready to install the new one.
Instead of just 3 fingers, now I can do all 4 fingers. Who knows where the clutch stuff is? You can do it yourself in your own garage, or better yet, come out down to American Eagle, talk to Shaggy, talk to Jack in the service department, and they can put it on for you and get covered under your warranty. The parts themselves you can find in the parts department. Todd